Hello everyone. Welcome to my review video on Vidjack. So in a nutshell, Vidjack is a video creation software which engages your audience through interactive elements um, like call to action buttons, build your email list, in video gamification rewards, and you can also sell your products by adding some cool images and also with the payment links. Okay, so this is an amazing software. I would, instead of calling this as a review video, I would say it is a recommendation video because I got so much bought into this product, which I've decided to go and purchase this after the launch. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to run through the members area, how it looks like. With an example video, I'm going to just edit and showcase. And I'm also going to take through the bonuses which I'm going to give you if you decide to get this product via my link below. All right. So stay tuned. Okay. So let's jump into the members area, how it looks like. Let me exit. And I've just add the campaign here. So input title, I would say test video. So I'm going to add a review video of mine into the into the campaign, and try to create a campaign. Let it load. Okay, so this is my previous review video which I've done, and I'm going to add the interactive elements and also the call to action buttons or subscribe buttons here in this video, and also edit it based on that. Okay, so I'm just going to add some buttons here and there. Okay, so subscribe now. So this is a cool button to ask your audience or customers to actually opt in for your the products which you're trying to sell. Okay, so I'm going to say for some time being, I'm adding here. As you can see in the background, when the video runs for this moment, I think you can see the subscribe now button. And similar to that, I'm just pausing the video and adding some images here, so that here I think you can add some. There are some 7 million royalty free images on the stock, which comes as part of the product. And so you can add whichever images you want, and you can just resize the video. I mean, resize the button. I think it's gone somewhere. Okay, so I'm just adding the subscribe button, and I'm just going to clicking the button. And as you can see here, I think you can pause the video and force your audience to basically opt in and then proceed for the video. So say, for example, I'm going to play this. Yeah, I've just reduced the volume. And if I click the subscribe button, pause video on. Yeah, and similarly, you can add that some quiz and gamification and rewards. If you want to add maps and cool maps, and you can show the location where it is located, and countdown timers for actually uh, basically to create the urgency or scarcity. And you can add some Facebook links or social media links, or backlinks to for another video. So whichever way you want. Basically, if you just run the video here, and it just shows map, and then once the video and the offer timer countdown timer shows, and then after certain while, and the share button shows. And as I told earlier, you can just click that, and you can just pause the video, and just you can place the call to action button so that the customer is forced to um, you know buy from you. So which is amazing feature. And you can edit the video as perfect as it is. And obviously people are seeing results by using this with Jack. And it is going to get launched on 5th of March 2021, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, and so make sure you get this product as soon as it is getting launched. And I'm going to showcase the bonuses which I'm going to provide as part of this product. when you decide to get this through my link, okay, so now I'm just going to, so this is how the members area looks like. Now let's jump into the, the bonus area, what I'm going to, provide. Okay, so so when you click the link in the description, so it takes you to this page, and this is where you can see my bonus page, which I've decided to give you. So and so let me just go through the benefits. Okay, uh, benefits of Vidjag is hijack any video and add unlimited interactive elements you want. Drag and drop interactive video editor with timeline, which I've shown you just now. Build your email list. Yes, you can create your custom opt-in pages and force a customer to get the get this subscribed to your or website or to your list wherever you're hosting actually. And in video call to action buttons, in video gamification and rewards, you can offer rewards, some coupons to show the discounts, provide discounts to your products, sell your products with inbuilt e-commerce engine, so that is also inbuilt, and personalization, countdown timers to create scarcity, and go viral ShareGate. So these are the benefits if you purchase this with Jack. And here is a demo video. I'm not going to just run through. You can decide to play this once you click the link. Okay, and so let me just run through the bonuses quickly, which I'm going to offer. So the bonus number one I'm going to offer is tactical backlinks method. So which is an amazing tool to get traffic through backlinks. Okay, so this I'm going to give you for free. The second bonus which I'm going to offer is SynLab instant indexing tutorial. So this is again indexing and SEO uh, optimizations, rankings, to increase your traffic to your website or wherever you want, like videos, basically. Yeah. And the third bonus which I'm going to give you is affiliate marketing blueprint. So this is a bonus tutorial which covers the all ups and downs of affiliate marketing, and what are the niche based products you can choose, or which are the the hot in the market and which are not. So it's just basically a blueprint, entire blueprint, and it helps you to decide which route you want to take. And the fourth bonus which I'm going to offer you is bonus vault. So which is again a vault which has a lot of bonuses you want to offer to your customers when you're promoting a particular product. Okay, so which exactly I'm doing now. So similarly, you can just promote your product with the n number of offers which is in the bonus vault. You can choose, pick and place n number of bonuses, and you can give that. Okay, and the bonus 5 is obviously the special member bonuses, sorry, from the vendor. So I'll just quickly run through what are the member area bonuses from if you purchase this product at the front end cost. Okay, so here you can see bonus number one is the done for you local video templates, which is worth $997, amazing value. So they're going to give you all the templates for the video for any niches like fitness or any events, promos, etc. The bonus number two is Vidlock. It's a premium software that lets you capture leads and make more sales by locking your videos until visitors perform a certain action. Exactly. So this is again of enforcing your customers to basically purchase or click the links before they move on to the video. Bonus number three, I think FB Live Video Engager, and bonus four is Ultimate Content Vault, and bonus five is web conversion videos. So this you can get, you can access all these bonuses inside the members area once you decide this product. Okay, and so coming to the price section, I think if you just go to the prices and upsells, so this Vidjag sells for $47, which is amazing value, and it's a one-time cost. Okay, you will be getting a lot of value from this, because even if you purchase this for $47, you can actually hijack and make tons and tons of revenue from just one single video with all the interactive elements you got inside the video. Upsell number one is Vidjag Pro Unlimited, which sells for $67, and it has interactive videos with unlimited views, unlimited leads, unlimited e-com orders, thumbnail creators, etc. as an additional value. Upsell number 2 is agency toolkit, which sells for $97. So you get all the assets you need to start and run a six-figure interactive video agency. So that's what the value is. Upsell number 3 is AI text to video converter. So this sells for $97. So this basically a great upsell which I've decided to get because it turns your awesome real human talking head video in just 3 steps. If you just put your text, type your text, and creates a real human talking head video, so which is amazing. And upsell number 4 is video tools 360 commercial, which sells for $67. And this is to access to bestseller video tools 360 app to create and sell interactive virtual tours. So you can basically own those videos, and you can create the virtual tours with built-in Zoom like video calls, e-commerce engine, gamification, AI optimization. And upsell number 5 is unlimited reseller license, which is $297 to $497. So you can just resell as if this is your own product and keep the profit. Easy way to make money selling and software products. Okay, so I think all the bonuses will be covered even if you purchase Vidjack at this front end price, which is $47. And you can click any of the buttons, orange buttons here, and it will redirect it to the sales page. And so once you get that copy, and it will redirect it to you to the JVZoo page, and where you can access all the promised bonuses which I'm going to give you, and from the purchase history section. Okay, you can access the member bonuses from there. Okay, so I think hope this is a great product. I hope you enjoyed this review video, or rather I would call this a recommendation video to buy this, to purchase this product with Jack, which is getting launched on March 5th 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So make sure you get this product when it gets launched within just 3 days, because all the bonuses I am going to give you vanishes at 11:59 p.m. EST on Monday, March 8th. Okay, so make sure you get purchase this product via my link, and you will be getting all the bonuses plus vendor bonuses which the products comes with. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be posting more review videos in the future, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.